it's Bethany. Welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be planning out the week of Valentine's Day in my Plum Paper Planner. This is the 8.5 by 11 hourly. And today I really want to go kind of Valentine's crazy with this super beautiful kit from Sammy Doodle Designs. We've got the date covers, we've got all these kind of boxes, sidebar stuff, tons of washi, 2 sheets of washi, and additional full boxes, and then kind of the sampler sheet with all of the things on it. And a few additional things. I also have the icon sheet from Sammy Doodle, and then the Valentine clip art from Sammy Doodle as well. So all of these are really, really cute. Oh, I also have this sheet from Erin Condren I might use. It just says February and a bunch of pink stuff and hearts and things. So we'll see where today takes us. But I'm really excited to dive into this one and get some Valentine stuff on the page here. All right, as per usual, I'm gonna start in with some washi and then we'll get into planning. All right, now the whole structure is down. What I want to do is start going in with actual plans. First, actually, I want to put some decorative boxes down. I don't do a lot of that, but what I want to try this week is actually using this planner for more focusing on things outside of work instead of putting down all my work appointments. So I'm going to put decorative boxes during the middle of the day. And then I still have my, Outlook calendar for work stuff and even my daily planner. I just don't know that I need it in this book, especially when I want to go more decorative for Valentine's Day. So that's my next plan, is to go in with all these really cute, like whimsical boxes. They're all so super cute. So I'm really excited to stick these in here. So that's what I'm going to do next and just kind of get this going. I also think this might be fun to do it this way to kind of put more focus on, like, I'm trying to think of what I want to say, kind of my ideal day instead of all the little minutia, and try using my planner in that way this week and just see how that feels and if I like it. And Sammy Doodle stickers thankfully come up really easily when I put them down crooked. So let's do some of these, and I don't think I'm going to do them just straight across. I think I'm going to kind of stagger them a little bit this way. And I'm just doing them in order because they're really cute all together in a row. So yeah, we're not actually doing anything for Valentine's Day this year. My husband kind of asked, he's like, hey, do you want to do anything? And I was like, not really. I don't know. I go through phases where, how did I have this? This was be kind of 9:30 line next time. Okay. I go through phases where I'm like, yeah, I'm all about it. And other times when I'm not. I think that right now, because we can't go anywhere, I'm just getting really sick of trying. Sounds so like defeatist, but like, it's just not the same as actually going out and doing things. I'm sure I'll get back to a phase. I'm like, yeah, let's try again. Let's do it. But right now I'm just feeling kind of, I don't know, kind of bored of it. 11:30. There's only so much you can do like in your house to celebrate things, you know? I know, that was pretty mopey. So I need to get over myself. Maybe we'll do something for Valentine's Day, but we have no plans. Not even like crazy fancy romantic dinner or anything like that. We're just gonna stay inside and we probably have hockey, you know? So that will be fine. All right, even just sticking down those stickers with all the structure, it's starting to look very like Valentine-y. All the little purple from the actual page itself is disappearing, which I always think that transformation is just really cool. So next what I want to do is put down my workouts. And like I said, I'm going to put focus on things that are not work in this plan. I'm working, but just not focusing on them in my planner this week. So I'm going to stick down the days. This isn't necessarily the exact time I'm working out every day, but I'm just going to stick down some stickers for workouts. I think I'm going to alternate these pink boxes for those. And when you combine the kit with the icon sheet, you actually get 4 of these little kettlebells. So I'm going to use those for all of my lifts this week, which are going to do probably Monday. And then I think actually I might take a rest day on Tuesday because it's my husband's birthday. But then Wednesday I will be lifting, as well as Thursday and Friday. And I just got a brand new squat rack and bar and like actual plate. So I have like a real like legit lifting setup in my basement, and I am loving it so far. It has been super, super great and really convenient, and makes me feel safe staying out of the gym as well. I'm sure they are safe. They're having us, you know, people who go to the gym wear masks here in Minnesota. So like I said, I'm sure it's safe, but I just feel safer in my basement, if that makes sense. So I'll just write these in here. All right, and I also have these film edit upload stickers from Sammy Doodle as well. I think the red goes super cute with the Valentine stuff this week. So I'm going to do one of these filming. I'm gonna try to get a little bit more structured with my filming, but if you've been paying attention to my channel for a while, you know I'm like the most least structured YouTuber. I make plans to film a certain day and it rarely happens, but I try to get videos up every, I don't know, like week or so is kind of my goal. Again, it doesn't always happen, but it's good to have goals, right? So I'll do filming here, hopefully on Friday, we will see. Then maybe Saturday we can edit, and then Sunday upload. Again, we'll see what actually transpires, but yeah, goals are good. And with the kit, there's also this cute little like laundry sticker, and I have another one from the icon sheet. So I'm gonna do laundry on Sunday and Thursday. And those are like my targeted laundry days. It doesn't always work out if you're noticing a theme here. I'm trying to be nicer to myself about not getting things done on the scheduled day and treat this more like, I don't know, like a wish list, I guess. And maybe that will kind of help with, I think we just put like unnecessary pressure on ourselves sometimes. I know I do that. I don't think I'm alone either. I think a lot of us put unnecessary pressures on ourselves. Just gonna write on laundry day here. And here. And Saturdays is been kind of being a good day to order groceries and then pick up on like Sunday or Monday. Oh, and Tuesday actually is my husband's birthday, so let me find a sticker for that. so that takes me through most of the week here. I actually really like how this looks. I think what I am gonna do is just sprinkle in with some more of either these and or these stickers, and then this is just about there. All right, I think that just about does it. There are plenty of little open pockets to write extra things in if I need to, but otherwise, I think this turned out super cute. So thank you as always, Sam at Sammy Doodle, for this beautiful, beautiful kit. So perfect for Valentine's Day. So I hope you're having a great Valentine's week, a great day, and we will chat soon. Bye guys.